Bienvenue à Bruxelles. Get ready for a day of adventure that will take you off the tourist trail and show you the hidden gems of this beautiful city. We'll start our day with a visit to the whimsical mannequin piece, Brussels' famous peeing statue, before heading to the bustling Place du Jeu de Bail flea market. Here, you can browse through vintage clothes, antique books, and quirky knickknacks while soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. Next, we'll wander through the charming Morales neighborhood, where you'll find a treasure trove of quirky boutiques, street art, and artisanal chocolatiers. We'll also make a pit stop at one of Brussels' oldest cafes for a traditional Belgian waffle and coffee. As the day heats up, we'll cool down with a visit to the serene Abbey of La Cambre, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. We'll explore the beautiful gardens and take in the stunning Gothic architecture of the abbey itself. After a leisurely lunch at a local brasserie, we'll head to the charming Ixelles neighborhood, where we'll visit the beautiful Art Nouveau houses that line the streets. We'll also stop by the picturesque ponds of Ten Bosch Park, where we'll soak up the peaceful atmosphere and watch the swans glide by. Finally, we'll end our day with a visit to the impressive Atomium, a unique steel structure that towers over the city. We'll ride the escalators up to the top sphere for panoramic views of Brussels and a thrilling, adrenaline-pumping experience. Join us for a day of fun, adventure, and discovery as we explore the hidden gems of Brussels, off the beaten path.